Right, Asper's got next one. Cannot get next. Someone get it. Job. Cannot get next. Someone get ready to get it. Asper's got next. Cannot get next.
I'll get it.
Cannot get next.
I'll take it.
Job. Right. More ads coming soon, get ready. Good job, good guys. That was much better. Then ads went down much better. Focus on the snake. Get this snake down before the demo, please. Demo in 18. 12. Nice guys. Nice focus, DPS, brilliant. Alright, let's go get the demo. Good job guys. Just focus demo until it's dead. Do not run back. I've got D&D for the ads. Right, and start moving back now. Good job.
Here, you're going up.
Yep. Get up to the tower group. Go now. Focus this time. I don't want to see anyone getting knocked down. Careful, guys. Did not die up there. Sorry, Mike. Good job, guys. Right. Alright, Asper's got next one. Asper cannot get next.
Sham.
Well, if you say you're going to get it, then get it.
I did.
Cannot get next. Move. Asper's got one. Cannot get next.
I got it.
Just trying it.
Okay, it's fine. Cannot get next. No, can. Asper's got it. Cannot get next.
Drake's him down. I'm coming down.
Also heal the LPC.
Yeah, heal the LPCs, of course. Excellent.
Right, good job, guys. Right, Drakes are coming. Get ready. Right, come down to the fire.
Tower
Everyone
incoming.
everyone, no one should be up there. Good job, guys. Right, go. Full nuke.
Hunter.
Got it. Move from A wing.
Cross heal the LPC up, please.
Rosa, come on, get this NPC dude quickly.
Coming.
20 seconds for ads. Focus, get them down nice and fast. Get one bone crushers up, but get the bone crushers down. Ads coming in 7, get ready. Fracture. Right, ads spawning now. Right, get on the healer. Right, Asper's got next. Cannot get next.
I can get it.
Fronting them.
Cannot get next.
Sham.
Aspen got next. Cannot get next.
Can or can't?
Can't.
I got it. Never mind.
cannot get next.
I got that one.
Okay. Asper's got next. Alright, it's dead. Don't waste it. Interrupt. Come on, guys. Get the rest in the fire. Next ad coming in 5. Move back. Right. All on the chamois. Right, Asper's got next.
Can you get them to the fire?
Yeah. I strangle it in the ad. Nope. We're gonna stay up here because the demo's coming.
Okay.
Everyone go on demo apart from the tank. Everyone on demo now.
Back to you.
Yeah, I'll get it. Everyone on demo go now. There shouldn't be anyone on the ads at all. Good job, guys.
Let's go, Tara.
Yeah. How we go? Let's finish off these ads, please. Nice and fast before the next pack comes. At least get the healer down. Come on, nice and fast. Good job, right, Drake.
Pressure.
Get into the fire. Good job, guys. Burst them down. Tell me as soon as you can blow the boss down. Ads are almost dead. Good job. See, this would be a perfect time to blow the boss out.
Nowhere near.
Nowhere near.
Right. Okay. I'll take the star, the X base. You know which one you're on. Right, Asper's got next. Cannot get next.
Can't take next.
Right, cannot get next. Come on, guys. We need to get these interrupted now. Totems up, kill it. Good job. Totems up, kill it. Good job.
Going down.
Yep.
Calm, be careful, calm. You see these? Oh, for fuck's sake, come on.
When you
Power's
ready for
done.
boss.
We can't do it yet. Come help us with the ads, please.
On my way.
Rebuff the calm. Right, we're out to coming in 5. Get ready. Asper can not get next. Come on, guys. These ads need to die now. Right, everyone focus gold because they are not dying at all.
My shaman died first.
Well, then that's poor. Right. Tower group, get ready. We're gonna
Gotcha.
we'll blow the ads down in a sec.
You guys
I'd
ready?
say go now. We only have 2 ads.
No, because we've got bone crushers. If
Okay.
we can get the bone crusher
down
down, okay.
Nope.
Blow the ads down.
No,
blow
no.
the ads. Blow it down. Get it. Shush. If you can get the boss down, do it. Okay, stop. No, it's too late. Way too late. Get the next pack down.
Can't
first.
get out of.
Get on the healer now. Right. Asper cannot get next. Asper's got next. Cannot get next.
I'll get it.
Totem, kill it fast.
Are you guys ready to get the boss down when you need?
Yeah.
Tongues down.
Don't get up.
Go up to the tower, dude. Come on.
I'm on the way.
Right. Get this healer down, and then we can pull the boss.
Yeah,
17
15 seconds.
Come on. Push it, guys. Push it now. Just full nuke. AoE go. Get them down. All of them are really low.
We can't get it. 4
No.
seconds.
No, we're gonna wait, Gabe. It's fine. We're gonna wait for the next pack. Not, we'll just kill all of the ads. Fuck it, it's much easier. Instead of trying to force the boss down faster. There's no enrage timer, so it's fine. There should only be one more pack after this, and that's the Drakes.
Yeah, true. So get down.
So everyone will come down. Right, fracture.
Can't
Right,
get it.
come.
Someone else get it. Someone else get it.
Hey Gabe, we'll just tank whatever, man. Just Gabe, if you tank them in the fire, I'll go grab the new packs and bring them down to us, right? Come on.
10 seconds.
Yeah, no. Just,
Do you want
we're
tongues down again?
That's fine. We're just gonna kill the next pack, and then there's no more ads. Last pack.
Drakes.
Yeah.
So when the Drakes are at 50%, then Targ and Sniv can go up and get ready. But remember, guys, when you've got the ball on you, move back. Okay, Sniv and Tongue go up now. Wait a sec. Let's just finish off this last ad. Hey, start shooting now. Go. Maybe I'll see if I can bug the boss out.
Put it down.
Back at your
Right,
marker, guy.
get onto your markers, stacking on them, not behind them, on them. Everyone now. Do not hit the boss. Right. Bloodlust, let's go. I'm just gonna bring the boss a little bit further down a second. Okay, go. Right. Do not mess up, guys. Focus now. Watch your own stacks. Big game, I'm getting no stacks.
Okay.
Next one is yours, Luke.
Yep.
Focus, come on. Stacks, guys.
Defenses.
Use defensive, come on. Good, nice. Sorry, Luke. Come on, guys, push him. 40%. If you die, I've not got a CR, so. %, guys. Keep this up. Yeah.
Any defensive you got? Eat your stones if you have them.
Bit better down.
I'm fine, game. I'm fine. Okay. I've got CDs. 5%. Push it, guys. But watch your stacks. We can still wipe. Nice.
Good fucking job, guys.
Good. What the fuck is
Congrats.
all this shit gear? Come on, man. Fuck's sake. God damn it.
Mail.
Right.
Congrats, Beer.
Right. Main spec, guys.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I know. How fucking bent is that loot?
Goal after all this fucking shit.
I've got super awesome tactics for next boss. We're gonna completely fuck its new mechanic. Really, no one wants those. No one wants the heroic Rosa. Do you not want them?
I have heroic Warforged already.
Well, I'll
Don't
pick up them.
Sham want them? Sham wants them.
Right, right, Sham.
Take him.
And no one wants these, right? No one uses these, right? Yeah. Yeah.
Here
no
can
one?
use
Okay,
them.
Yeah, I know. Right, let's go next boss. Congrats, guys. Good job. That's how we're doing it every week. What's wrong? Up, Gabe.
Ah, well, whoa, I
Nothing.
just saw that it were heroic Warforged. Grats the beer.
Oh, Grant's Beer. Beer's like, fuck yeah, it is.
You've got to be fucking kidding me.
And when
What?
Mythic hits, it's going to be fucking awesome. Right, just let me bring up my little tactical sheet a minute, guys. This fight is basically the same. We're just going to bug it. Well, we're not going to bug it. We're going to use pro-ass tactics. pro tactics.
Staying out of range of an ability is not a bug.
Exactly, that's what I said, pro tactics. Okay, apparently all my info's gone, but that's fine. I know what we're doing. Right. Play some... Hey, Loic, I'm going to get you to place some markers, dude. So can you place them on me, please?
Any particular colour?
Nah, I don't give a fuck.
Not touch the boss.
Whatever
please.
you want, son. Yeah, if you pull the boss, I'm going to beat you with my blood tap. It's going to be awesome.
What a wet noodle.
No, Beer, this is the tactic that I thought of, man. Fuck you, Beer. Can you place one here? So, ooh, that's a bit close. So this is roughly where we're going to fight the boss. Right, so everything's the same, guys. Everything hurts more. Blah 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 blah. Move from lasers. Only tanks get the bombs because they do a fuck ton of damage. One of the new mechanics in its assault phase is blades that will spin out in a random player location, and then it will do a sort of like U-turn, like a dislet.
Scimitar
like that.
almost.
Yeah. So like if you stand still a minute, look. So it'll do this, look, guys. So it'll come out, and then it'll just go back. It's easy to avoid. Don't get hit by it. Sham noodles. That